I'm going to go over my 30-minute close routine. Because my childcare is in my house and my house is so small, I like to kind of tuck things away and put them up in the evening so that I can just kind of live my life in the afternoon and not feel like I'm in a childcare, or my family doesn't feel like that. Even though it's still here, it feels less intrusive. So the first thing I usually do, and it's kind of when kids are still here, I start gathering things that I'm going to be washing, like the toys and extra stuff like that. I might even grab the garbage bags and take them out and replace with new liners. And then once they're gone, I'll start on the bathroom, and I just clean all the surfaces of the bathroom with my trusty soap right there, and then I do the bleach process as well. It's just the same as what I would do on the changing pad, and I spray that bleach on the highly touched surfaces and the toilets, and then let that sit, and then wipe it with a wet cloth, and that's all done. Super easy. And then once this is scooted out of the way, I might do a dry mop or a quick vacuum in here, depending on how bad it is, and then go over it with my o-cedar mop. Doesn't take very long at all. This table becomes a major catch-all, so I have to empty all that off and wipe off my table. And then right here, I'm still, you can see, unloading the dishes. These are from the first half of the day. Usually after lunch, I load them all and close them up, and then I still have our water bottles and some things that I'm going to throw in. I'll do one more load tonight with my family's dishes. And then, so technically I have 2 loads a day, but they may not be completely full loads, but it just works better that way. And then I've got my toys here. I'm going to be doing the sanitation process on those. You can watch my video to see how that works. And then I've got one small load of some laundry. I don't have very much laundry every day because I use paper towels. And so maybe just some cleaning cloths in there, and then one baby sheet, because the baby's crib pack and play gets a new sheet every day. So I will wipe down these surfaces as well, the little table, the train table, and things like that. That's why it's a great idea to keep kind of minimal toys. It makes it a lot easier in there. So once all those dishes are unloaded and put away, I wipe down all my cabinet surfaces, and then I'm ready to kind of relax with my family and have a nice dinner, and can come in here and just turn off these lights and pretend like it's not here until morning. And then in the morning, it just takes me 15 minutes to pull all this up and set it out, and I can start fresh again. But yeah, so here you go, my quick and easy 30-minute close routine. It does help save the sanity.